Stand over here and say, Akio Tanzi. Wow! Magical! Well, this is Tanzi. She's no baby. She's actually an 11-year-old African Pygmy cow. They're one of the smallest types of raptors in the world. So just like a hawk or a hawk or an eagle, but everything is in it. They can strip the carcass straight to the bone. To the bone! Stay back. I'm gonna hold you down for me. Run! This Boris is a reasonable guy. Hey Boris, Dustpan had this great idea. Go, no! He's not reasonable at all! He's really in your face, but he's not on too! Woo!
Oh, perfect.
Alright, well this is Sam. And Sam is a 24-year-old bald eagle. And the reason Sam is here today is right there on his right wing. When he was only 4 months old, he was found injured in a woodlot up in Michigan with a broken right wing. With a broken right wing, he can't fly, and it's really hard to find things to eat. Luckily for Sam, he was found. Today he's playing at Michigan State University. They tried to patch that wing as best they could. But unfortunately, the damage was permanent, and he never had full use of that right wing. But he's been a great ambassador for his species here at the zoo since 2003.
Thank you, Dustin. This is our 2-year-old Mississippi Kite, and her name is Orie. She was found just north of Cincinnati from an ant injury. Cincinnati might seem like a pretty weird place to find a bird like a Mississippi Kite because as the name implies, they're typically found flying up and down the Mississippi River. However, over time, they have to expand their territory. As a migratory bird, Orie can fly thousands of miles every single year across 2 different continents.